Sansil Mega Northeast Lapent Bardo Mister Northeast Surhinira in Koirake Thomalong ki Haiduna Bang Pu Bang Pia Tumpen Karbi Longalong an ki Jui Pan Kevang Nizang Karbi Long Hamran Secretary Sai Hemalong Sami Karlidang Sar Singteron Mahanget Tegarni kita London MS Karbi Equations Ahina Tumpen Don Paris Sisu Si Arada Tumpan Akejoy Pen Long Tukeron Pon Pinkat ing tia rong long pent arada tum chingrum pet pen ningkan e sek pent ani sia phant ningis parong pon amai ke paman pon Karbing long hawar lang roy lang jeng lapen thipi teng prang kilir seng kelang mi abalon ke do northeast angbong sami ke chithang klong ajok kedam tang thang ni phai pho arni Sansil Mega Northeast Barado Mega Mr Northeast ke haidun abang phubang phiatum Karbing long kelang misen alang sun alang roy lang jeng lapen prexama dimalong an kelang dam chia phan kebang Bangso hud alang liatum pen lang buku lang sun along pen cenglok prexam adim along kijui dam kelang misen adim alang litum ar koi ni pha engkoira troxi arni Karbi anglong jutang aklam along an palidam si uthot nu thengpi ahem tun along kibi pont madi kelan pon nu thengpi ahem tun arlu along sami alang litum kelang pon ningspang sampon renti Karwing long arlo lapuan kelang mi abolon kedu kelang ben sami ning samjin anlo lapen ladak kedu orada tumpen sami jingki jithan misen lapen alang li tumpen sami kitun kedang sami pachumi thek pikusi alang li tumpen pharenke thinu ningje pon renti
from Assam, your Sansil Mega Miss Northeast 2023. I feel very excited and overwhelmed to be here in Karbi Anglong. I am fascinated to see the beauty of this place. We have been to some of the waterfalls. Yesterday we went to one and today we went to a Langvoko waterfall and it was very thrilling. There is so much to explore here and I feel it is very important to let the rest of the world know about the beauty and the culture that Karbi Anglong has. And here we are to experience and to explore and to get the best out of it and to promote it as much as we can.
So
Thank
how
you.
was your
Is amazing. We are very happy for the warm hospitality that we have been receiving since the very first day. The place where we are staying, the tourism department, it is very convenient and very much comfortable. Also the food is very scrumptious. So I would like to thank the Karbi Anglong Tourism Department for having us here and for giving us this wonderful opportunity to explore and to experience. Thank you.
Kurumjari, I'm Chanchi K, your 19th Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast. It was really amazing. I had a wonderful time as soon as we landed here. The journey, the car rides, oh gee, the view was amazing and the roads were amazing. So I felt like I was hovering on the road when I was, journeying along. And well, it was really amazing. The food was great. I felt like a lot of the food was really similar with my community as well back home in Manipur. They used like bamboo shoot along in the cuisines and I really loved it. Yeah, it was really amazing.
What about the hospitality you're getting from the people?
It's really so warm and loving. They were so keen on what we needed, what we wanted. So they were like really nice. I loved it. I truly liked it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Say from Nagaland, and I am the winner of 12th edition of Biro Mega Mission Northeast. Well, coming to this place, Karbi Anglong, it's very fascinating, and then I think it's a place that everybody should start exploring. This place is still unexplored, but the unexplored places, they are absolutely amazing. So I request all the viewers who are watching this, when you're having your vacation, please come and visit this unexplored place and then feel the beauty and the culture of this place. Thank you.
What are the foods that you had for the last 2 days?
The foods.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I should say that the foods are very delicious. They are very good. The cuisines is a bit different from Nagaland, but then the cuisines are very good and not forgetting the hospitality of the people. Very warm, very kind-hearted. So I love Karbi Anglong. Thank you so much.
I'm from Tripura. My name is Adon Jamatia, and I am 12th edition Miedo Mega Mr. Northeast winner. And I really love this place, Karbi Anglong. it's for the first time I'm coming here in Karbi Anglong, but I fell in love with this place. The waterfall, the beauty of the nature, it's really amazing. I really love it. And I really love the food as well. It's so tasty. The pork with the bamboo shoot was my favorite one right now. So thank you so much for that.
Of Mega Entertainment.
Non ki bang chi Karbi Youth Festival along Miss Northeast long kes party along ke haidun bang phietu mahpan sami Sansil Mega Northeast along sami direct entry our side pipon ji pusi Sansil Mega Northeast lapen Bardo Mega Mr. Northeast founder Abhijit Sanghapen pachini pontu.
The company, the organization, which has founded Mega Miss Northeast since 2003 and Mega Mr. Northeast since 2009. Obviously, Karbi Anglong is really an unexplored paradise. There's a lot of so many beauties which can't be unparalleled. We are talking about hospitality. It's already in our blood, which we can see here in Karbi Anglong. We traveled here, we had that expectation, but it's beyond more than that, what we felt about the beauty. My agenda behind traveling to Karbi Anglong was obviously it's a thing that I'm a Northeastern, but I haven't never been a part of this area. So first of all, to explore this, and also to explore the untapped talents of this land towards the different opportunity to bigger gateways. Like example, we have the recent Miss Karbi Anglong Youth Festival competition, which is happening. The auditions are coming up on 11th of this month at Hotel Hampi. So, Miss KYF. So the auditions are happening in Hotel Hampi. So the interested candidates also can come forward to have the audition. And as the finale is on 18th of February. Because the winner from that platform will get an opportunity to go ahead for Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast directly. We really need to push forward our talents, not only end up getting one crown, but that crown will lead up to the next opportunity, which it really needs to be done, because once they come out of here, they're going to interact with all other contestants of Northeast. So I think that is the growing period which they need. And it's time for action. Once we act together, I think it will work. And the message, what I would love to give to all the people of Karbi Anglong and my Northeast is that, you know, we all are very strong. We don't need outsiders to help us out. If we come together and explore things, project things together, nothing can stop us, you know. The beauty of Northeast unity is very, very powerful. So let's rock. Thank you.
Karbi Anglong. Nasi pini ini tung apan kopai kemi. Dak ini tung along nang chetong dun lagi Sansil Mega Miss Northeast, a founder lagi Sir Abhijit Singha. Lapen la nili piki do tung ke lagi 2023 winners lo Beardo Mr. Northeast. Lapen Sansil Mega Miss Northeast ke hai tung lo. Nasi tung apan non phoi bang ke kopai me pik lo Miss KYF along sidami itung ke chapati dun ya apan. Nasi alang itung sidami ladak ke bang pen ini tung pan nang rab dun lo. Ini tung along talent do bon sidami our side ka via join ni ini tung angsongan da kili dun tekte do nasi non bang ke itung pan angsong nang pon yu pan cherab dun lagi itung along organizer lapen itung along nang dodon lagi Sansil Mega Miss Northeast tung nang dodon lo nasi kadu ka bisidami laso Miss KYF fan nang chapati din fan si tuning ripon lo lagi audition ke lagi Hotel Hampi long sidoi lagi 11 February arni sidoi lagi 10:30 pen lasi hola audition nong ke longdun ke haidun atung an bang ke final lagi 18 arni sidoi lasi kaduga bisitami wang registration nang cipi dun noy anpen final long sidami nang 18 along sidami nang tung chipati dun long po anpen muhaida filu bolte direct entry labang ke 2024 fan finalist latung direct khoda chipati dun long po lan ben si nili ington pon karno
Karlitang sarsing tron alangli ke kechengsi Karbia dorbar along amai phulu alangli mhange thek labange kedamtang 1898 thangthang ni phai choksiar ni sim hang theklo lapent kedamtang 1979 aning kanban si alangli labang so pir theben chi uponlo alangli mhange thek labang ke nizang Karbi Anglong langching bar along se alangli mhang thek ponlo laso pithi alangli tumpen puthot hongkram Karbi langpi adung se alangli tumben hemrit kim ponlo alak Karlitang sarsing tron asar bro ament Sarmen teron lapan alang li sar piamen labang ke kachi bepi kalilang sarsing teron ke alang li ke celong chainong ke chuvi lok abang pu wifi same alang li Karbi khai pan ke ching hon pik ajok alang li hempen ka juisi rat apart man ki claim asai deng ponlo kidam tang ni pai chok CR ni nizang Karbi Anglong hamren brand secretary asai hamalong stami karlitang sarsing tron mangathek ani talon pon nizang Karbi Anglong socheng MEC consensi MEC hatching rong pharpensi mai chari pon lapen labang so amaya long alihaman pen Karbi lamet amai phu himari teron sina terang brand secretary hamren pen chenglok prek man peng idumda chitong dun sila bangsu mangathe ni ke talon pon ingsam jin pen pachun pon hamren pen rai kombe Karbi Longri Abirta
sarsing teron langkung habe je lab posona bang khusna danglong ekdom karbia khai apan alangli tum samson sing tipen bang hani part pajer po si litum akisung ke boy thak isi pen isi nage song pi pen pini karbiarat rengdok rengni pen alangli ke habe lasi halasot pen alangli ठीक पिपन से पिनी लोंगरी हबे तो पाना नेम रकम का दुको वेदा मेलांग ले ठीक पिपंग वेदा जने पिनी ले तुम कारबिया तुम कारचार का दो वेदा पंगचुलिम लोंग लो लापेन dak chitong rapel lo alang le tuम family तुम dak sasing teron su donara batuman ta bang lo nase alang le तुम thame sipen sie kai lamu than lo ni churu bon lo alang le तुम thame ben ke bang gilang thame lason tak tak bang putin karbi tame sasing teron kai lamu kacini RG lape alang li long isi ini pen kacali donolang kacali nalang alam dolang athi alang li nut jang resu habek pen tame celong cuwicot posemu het jong tatan lo ta celong cuwicot tame ma jang res anam the polam bang pe plang pen ele tuma karbi arada phan ma khe me ne marokom gado wena alang li phan li tum chuke mo pano lapen mission mesa session pano
alang li men pen ada kumlin mate adur jom hol bikin ila
dak hokpeda bangga ke damtang dak kumlin ke dolo is half unbalance dame mesen kumlin ke pipon pan li temasiam Dr. Teram hang pan chuni pon po lapen alang lipan thanam po je dak kisung ke boilam lapen ene dipu headquarter lo bangga dolo hada bangga bang faruke pho bak ke janga bhari dutrom AC full AC si dolo tame veskar banglong phandame li temasiam sar aning gama thatang dolo athe alang li kedam kaya mata me ningge belok kedam non kedam jila kan ke bang ini kan pho banget veskat bang long kacela thitani lapen dakang bong se ala sa sing teron akum tirom hol lapen akum linda don pop sening kala deng pharu sera alang li manga thang deng pharu sera deng korap holo same alang li ata bang san ta council ben bang pini ke chengsi ason se ke mo pon rong lo the aprang pen nang polo sama isi ni gamata tong thek thek hailon la senon le tama CM Dr. Turam hong panchuru alang li lason asa amune da pan tame pin bil thelong an ke man thuparal pan do beta churu pon ko
pin sarsing teron ke nili phula angke pini de sonang cheke mo pithe ka pot ke ningarong na panchal ni
CM sar phanta churul
churul aprang ke dak lang prat teron rong lo angke phi an ke hat kine hongkram langkung sidodam ko mas langkung hambe ko
langsing bar lang prat teron rong
kedam teng arkoni pai trok CR ni lakhain koresi boysan MSC consensi ke parlopont hada basti khatkati Karbi Anglong MS Karbi Evaluations lapen 3D Evaluation Supervisors manaf terang alideng pent long thu aso lapen kethe e dona long hini anparta don parisis so se arada tom pan ake joy pen labang soron thu keron pon labang so long thu ake joy pen keron pon hut langli long ke charab dun labang ki hada basti gangbura agent Ravi ke phu anparta ari sang huwa tum pen chenglok don parisis so se arada tom pan ake joy pen long thu ron pon long lo don pharo si so se arada tum pent ake joy pen labang solong tu kachu deng dun long apot alang li tum bhapan sami ning aklong pen kachuru pajordun lapen lapu nat labang solong tu kiron pon ke majok political party ben sami ke chrap abe pusi supervisor manaf terang ahin pen klardak pen pachini pon thu sangti di pen project terang Karbi Longri Abirta lakhain ko raponi lip MSC consensi ke parlopon koilamati hawar pin khat ingti arong along thang ni phai trok siani adapor phai kris sira chitima por malom pent rong isi ka dukowe salar amekar chingrum pet pent rong isi ka chingrum mamai paman pon konchun bang komol sing teron pen kachari pon amaya long alhi tung gach tong duna tum phan sami pin khat ing ti rong asar long ki ing ti rong pen man ke du Karbi pu ho pen archu pon pin khat ing ti rong long sin kan e sek pen e phong ra tum chingrum pet pen ning is parong pon amaya long alu haman pen vo phong asar rong asar GB ras teron pen chenglok ka prek prek ke thidum da chetong dun rong si chingrum pet pen ning parong pon arni alang li tum pen sami bathali kiap keng dong dang ke dam pen chenglok pa prek prek pa thuch pate size temi pedopon pen koilama thi har wangsi rong chukim ponsi rijai hidi kuwe aklim chui pangcheng ponsi la sub arong la pusang buche bom bang bom si peneng surhinira ingkoira ke thom aningkan anbangki pinkhar ingchi arong long labangki ni arta pharo isira ner ke ban nang chok tanglo lapen labang so pinkhar ingchi arong long aningkan wang sami rong isia aradatum amekar asarlar tumpen chingrum pet pensi ningkan esek pen ephong alang li tumpen ning siparong pun amai pamon pon bom asonsi peneng le thos tami labang so amai mesen pen pachun pon
ini kan esek lah mikar chingrum amai lo ini pastami ali hiason nang phao lo asila bang solong ni listame ninga rong pen nang chetong no ase pini labang lang tum labang so amai lo lang tum kedam tanga sengkan klem kedam saya mo deng hu chethan pon lo lapen jiwangilang la non surini reng kora ka thumanekan lang tum klem kedam pon jia saya deng hu lam ta chethan pon lapen ke rong ro kachari aronatang lapen ke usumar tum lada ka isoi jang tum kachali ana tu ka prang tum jia phan ahi lam tame lang tum pen chethan chimum pon lo lapen ke non la Karbi Anglong akangpi la Karbi rongasar amai tumahin pen sarkar long matante alam tum la rong along kachari kachalong dia pan bisar kendara ron bangso kachahanga jakong stame chuna somlo asi TVC abang ke traditional village court lo bangso ang dengan bang ke non ini tum kachinghon council kachari Dr. Sartunaram Ronghan ahin pensi labangso tupleng pilo nasi non labangso bisar kendar ajakong kelongji apan council pen isi appointment letter labang kedam tangarni intum chinghon dang local emisi sa pobito rong pia hin pensi ladang ni lip rongosar to anapan labangso hidu mata letter pilo asi labangso ronalong ketok alamat hebang ke lapuson lo ilitum Karbi karbatum stame kai kang tim oposi prang pen
si halo so ke arat kichan ke yata non an asoy kali delo so bangke si don doni ansi dolo
te non an pening an ke kedam tang ningkan pharo krisir ke bra krip ho pen bulong te pening an bulong te ningkan pharo isra ningkan ner kep an pleng tang lo nang tumarong labang sorong along non man nang tum don a phai bang don kan bag do
non ke do bamarat ke don krege thom do
de te nang tum la pening ang bong kupipi asai rong kipa mi ponji phan ke paklar ponji phan kupipi asai sinang tum pini ke chingki jingwai pon
pini ke chingwai si than pon ke la lo rong along militum ningkan sekpen la rong ali ka chipe mi ponji phan sin tum chingwai pon lo si than pon lo la pen la rong along anso se mi muchot ya panta militum bo ikon popusi rat pen chipati pon
ke jusin nang le phan arjulang peneng nang tuma rong along hajira mate ani si pin sumar tuma hajira ko an la pen swalo tuma hajira ko an manan tung kipa thik la bangso alam puthak nang thanima
la solam puthak bang ke la rong asar atumpen chingki chetan si alo so hajira bang ke pharo ini pin so hajira bang ke pharo ini ra phuke